Hi, I'm Shivangi Lohmi. I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I'm from Yashwantrao Chavan Law College, Pune, Maharashtra. My topic is summons under Order 5 of CPC. Summon is a document that is used just to intimate the person of him being involved in a suit. It acts as an opportunity to the defendant to appear in the court of justice and say against the prayer made by the plaintiff. This opportunity can be taken from the defendant as it is in harmony with the principle of natural justice, and any decree so passed against him will not be binding upon him if the summons were not duly served. The service of summon to the defendant after the institution of the suit also ensure a fair trial. Essential and forms. Every summons shall be signed by the judge or such officer appointed by him and shall be sealed with the seal of the court and must be accompanied by a plaint. Every summons should be in the form as prescribed in Appendix B to the first schedule of the code. A summon should state the title of court, name, description, place of residence, name of person instituting suit, purpose, date and time for appearance. It shall state that in case of failure to appear, suit will be heard and determined ex parte. Defendant to appear. On the given date, defendant has to appear before the court issuing summons. Defendant may appear in person or by a pleader. Contents of summon. Rule 5 to 8. The court shall determine whether the date fixed is for settlement of issues only or for final disposal of the suit and should contain direction regarding that. If it is for the final disposal of the suit, then defendant should be directed to produce his witness. The court would also specify fixed time as to allow the defendant with sufficient time to appear and answer the claims made by the plaintiff against him. Summons should also contain an order to defendant to produce all documents or copies thereof in his possession or power upon which he intends to rely on in support of his case. Modes of service of summons. Issue of summon and delivery of summon are different. When the court drafts summoning document and it is signed by the judge and handed over to the court official for his delivery, it is called issue of summons. On the other hand, when the summon is taken to the person who is being summoned either by the court officer himself or through any other means, it is called service of summons. If it is accepted by the person, the service is complete, but if he doesn't receive it for any reason, the service is attempted but failed. Delivery of summons by court. Whenever defendant resides within the jurisdiction of court or his agent who is empowered to accept the service, summons shall be served by the proper officer of the court or by courier approved by the court. Personal or direct service. Personal service of summons are dealt in Rule 10 to 16 and 18 of Order 5. In all situations which are mentioned below, service of summons shall be made by delivering or tendering a copy thereof. Substituted service. These are those modes of service which are practiced in place of traditional or ordinary mode. Under Rule 17 of the order, the service is effected without an order of the court by affixing a copy of summons on the house of the defendant and original summons to be returned to the court. This rule also states that ground when the serving officer can opt for substituted service. Where the defendant or agent refuses to sign the acknowledgement, serving officer can't find the defendant after using all due and reasonable means, or he is absent from his residence when the original summons are returned, the court may verify the serving officer and oath, may make further inquiry if it thinks fit, and shall declare the summons to be served or may order for fresh summons. So the conclusion is, when the plaintiff filed a suit for relief against the defendant, the party who facing allegation must be given an opportunity to express his defense. The document which intimate the defendant that the suit is pending against him is said to be summons to defendant. We can say that summons is a stage which initiate the proceeding of suit towards its settlement. This video doesn't solicit any types of promotion or advertisements as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India. And the sole purpose of this video is for education purposes only. Thank you so much, and please like, share and comment on my video and do subscribe this channel. Thank you.